I ain't gon' make. I got a flight that I ain't gon' take. I got a dream that I ain't gon' take.
Yeah, bro. Hey, shout out to my dog, Jay Wayne, you know, representing Team Take Profits. This your boy Petty D, man, the OG of CHH, man, and it's going down, man. I've been bumping this mug. Matter of fact, I bumped it in the studio, bumped it in the crib, you know what I'm saying? Bumped it in the crib, man. Hey, just dropped today. Hey, London, bruh, listen. Jay Wayne, keep doing your thing, bruh. You know it's Team Take Profits all day. It's your boy P-Zilla Petty D, man, and I'm out. Yeah.
Profits you flashing. I got a bank to break. I got a few moves to make. I got a flight to take. I got a dream to chase. London, 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 keep them trades coming. London, 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 keep them.
You got any more of those pips, Jay Wayne? We trying to get paid. It's Take Profit Tuesday.
Team Take Profits on the move. The movement is real. 50 pips a day. Watch the money drip. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills.
What's up, y'all? This your boy Jay Wayne, you know, representing Team Take Profits, where my mission is to help you become a profitable trader so you can get your time freedom back and start empowering people that's around you. And I definitely encourage you to subscribe to the channel because I'm giving you tips for the pips. I'm trying to teach you how to see this market. I'm giving you insight week after week that's just going to ultimately make you a better trader. And we're not just trying to learn how to trade, we're trying to make some money, you feel me? So, you know what I'm saying? Definitely encourage you to subscribe to the channel. And look, while you guys are still coming in, share this video with your team and let them know it's time to make this money, baby. Hey, I don't know about y'all, but I'm super excited about 2020. Super excited because, hey, we already starting off making money. And all I'm gonna say is don't let nobody stop your grind. You feel me? Don't let nobody stop your grind. If you making it out here and you doing your thing and you got people hating on you, you got people trolling you, I mean, it's just all talk, man. Just stay focused on your grind. Mamba mentality, you feel me? Kobe mentality all day. You know what I'm saying? Just do your thing. They not paying your bills. You feel me? They not paying your bills. It's enough money to be made for everybody. So it's no need to just fall off like that because you got haters and trolls. Stay on your grind no matter what and give. You know what I'm saying? Because over here, Team Take Profits, we don't compete. We dominate. And one of the ways that we dominate is by giving. You feel me? It's by giving. I mean, I just feel like it's enough money to go around for everybody to eat and be happy. You feel me? But you always got negative people in the world. But that being said, if you want that positivity, if you want that Forex education, and insight in how the market moves and different things like that, then I'm your man. I'm your Forex plug, giving you that game. I'm gonna lace you up. Let's make this money, baby. We're talking about the easiest trade setup for 2020. Now, the reason why I'm saying it's the easiest, because the market is about to start trending soon. You know, it's the new year, right? So around, you know, second month in, third month in, the market will start trending. And this tool that I'm about to show you is going to be your best friend. I'm not lying. It is going to be your best friend. The tool I'm talking about is the trend line. Now, are we just using the trend line by itself to find a trade setup? Absolutely not. That'd be unwise. That'd be ignorant, very ignorant. But whatever trade setup, whatever strategy you use, hands down, I know for a fact the trend line will help you. It's either going to help you get into trades. It's either going to tell you when to take profit. Like, it's going to help you, all right? It's going to help you identify breakouts. You feel me? So let's get to it. I'm about to show you. You already know I'm going to lace you up in the charts. You know, vibe with me. Here we are on the charts. And we all know the market moves in waves. Here's the thing. As long as the market moves sideways, consolidating, moving waves, moving steps, however you want to call it, right? As long as it does that, it's easy money to be made. Let me just say it like that. It's easy money to be made. Now, when you see the market start trending, right, making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, right? What was resistance becomes support. You obviously mark up those areas, right? But what I'm trying to show you is use that trend line to your advantage. When markets start making flag patterns, when the market start trending, pull out them trend lines. However, you got to follow the points on them, boys. But go ahead and get the trend line game on there. Put the trend lines out. When that trend line get broken, we entering in on the trade. You feel me? We entering in. Boom. We back into the trade. You never really know how far it's going to pull back. Like I just be honest with you. You never really know how deep the pullback is going to be. Long as it don't blow past the low point, then you good. But you never really know how deep it's going to be. You feel me? So, you just kind of, you pull a trend line out, and when that boy break close on the other side, boom, you getting in for a breakout trade, participate back into the movement. But you want to know that, hey, we're in a uptrend. You feel me? We got our little entry right there, and that's what I want you to see. Now, I'm just basically, it's really, really that simple, right? So I'm basically just showing you the theory on it without the candles. Now I'm about to go to the chart real quick, all right? Now, this is not a video to teach you how to read the trends, and I got other videos to show you support and resistance and all of that other stuff. I'm assuming that you already know that stuff. I'm assuming that you already have a strategy or a favorite trade setup or a favorite style of trading. Now, the reason why I didn't title this video the easiest Forex strategy, because it's not a strategy, all right? It's just a tool that I want you to implement, all right? And it's going to change your life, you know what I mean, for the good. So you got this downtrend, all right, just like how I showed you. Just like how I showed you, downtrend, there you go. I'm just using this little tool here. I'm not saying that this is the Elliott wave. I'm just showing you the trend, all right? Making higher highs. This is pretty much even with 2, and it made a lower low, right? So boom. All I'm saying is peep game on this. The trend is down, right? All this selling pressure, right? All this bear momentum, right? So then don't too much get involved with the buys, but go ahead and pull out that trend line. Pull out that trend line to capture that flag pattern. You feel me? Boom. Let me delete that and clean it up for you. Pull out that trend line, and then when it breaks, all right, when the candles break, boom, pull the trigger. Pull the trigger. Now the goal is to pull the trigger as close as to the trend line as possible. But pull the trigger. For right now that the sells are here. The bears are here. All right. So, it's a game of probability at the end of the day. It's a game of probability. So you pull the trigger and the probability is on your side. Try to keep the probability on your side, right? Now, this is the daily time frame. Do this on the daily. If you're a swing trader, do this on a 4-hour. If you're a swing trader, day traders, we can do this on the hour, 30-minute. All right? Boom. I'm going to show you. So this is the day trade. I'm just going to show you a few. I'm just going to run through it, right? Boom. All right, cool. We got it. All right. Now, you see a big drop like this. Well, now you know that there's a correction that's going to be made. So now you can flip that boy around this way. Go ahead and grab it. You feel me? Go ahead and grab it. Because you're not saying that the trend is about to change right here, but you're saying that, hey, this is a big drop with hardly any correction wave. So a correction is going to come back. Boom. Let me throw out a trend line. It closed on the other side of that. I'm going to take it for my pip goal according to that time frame. Boom. You good. All right. So now it broke the trend line, giving you a correction, a pullback. Well, the selling pressure is still there. So now you just go ahead and pull out another trend line. I'm just showing you. I'm just walking you through. I'm not trying to give you a trading strategy. I'm assuming that you have it. All I'm trying to do is wake you up. Boom. This is the daily time frame. All right. This is the daily time frame. So now let's say you catch one of these boys. All right. Let's say you catch one of these. Let's say you catch one of these dominant sales. The flag pattern, boom, you in there, right? How many pips we looking at? All right, 1,466 pips. That's the daily time frame. That's all my swing traders. Let's go down to like a 1-hour chart. Let's see, does this really work on a 1-hour chart? Same thing. You already see it. You already see it. Now, without me drawing the trend lines, can you see all the spots? Like, I want you to understand whatever trade setup, whatever trading strategy you have, you feel me? use it, just execute using this trend line. Add this trend line to your trading game. You feel me? So boom, uptrend. This is a big long wave. Now you can make money all through here, right? If you know what you're doing, you can pick and pop your movements, because this is a lot of pips in between here, right? If you're good, but a lot of this is just, you know, consolidating going in this channel. That's all you got is this big old channel right here. So I'm saying that the trend is up, so you just mark it up on these points and wait for that breakout. And all I'm saying is that boom, you got the breakout retest. Let's make some money. You feel me? And this is the hour chart. So let's say you didn't get in down here. You got in up here and you got a little drawdown. So 35 pip drawdown, 128 pips to the upside. If you like to hold and you skillful enough to hold, I mean, like, because you're going with the trend. Like I said in the beginning of the video, the market is about to start trending again. So now this trend line is going to be your best friend. All right. Again, right? You got this big move up. Right? Hardly no corrections like that. Be patient. Pull out the trend, the trend line, and boom, you back in there. Now, let me see. Let me tighten this boy up for you. Realistically, I don't want to be sloppy with it. I'm going to pull it out, and I'm going to put it out right here. I'm going to put it right here. There you go. Because you got to connect it, right? You got to put it at the point. But here you go. I put it on all the points. You got the breakout. You got the reach. For all my breakout traders, they won because you're going with the dominant energy of the market at that time. 106 pips. Boom. Now, all my retest traders waited for the retest. All right. It held above the trend line. Boom, another pop up, 143. You're going to be on the right side of the trade more times than not when you follow the trend and be patient for the breakout. All right. You're impatient. You want to trade every single hour. You want to trade every single day. How do you even deserve that? You feel me? You did not create this market. You don't have millions and trillions of dollars flowing through this market. So how can you even think that you can have it like that? You feel me? I'm trying to trade as safely as possible. There's not 100% safe strategy. But the things that I show you as I continue to grow in my knowledge, I'm going to share it with you. You feel me? And I'm going to be better than I was 3 years ago when I first made my video. And I'm going to be better today. That's what you're seeing, the natural progression of a Forex trader when you watch my videos. So I'm showing you where I'm at right now, right? So that's what we're looking at. The goal is to be wrong really fast and to be right for a long time. All right. You want to know that you're wrong really, really fast. So you have to know where you're getting in at the market. And these trend lines, if you add these trend lines to your game, I'm telling you, it's going to help you see in a totally different light. People be saying, wait, you got to be patient. You got to be patient. But they don't really tell you what to be patient for. They don't tell you what to wait for. And I'm trying to show you things that'll help you be patient. And this trend line is one of the things that's going to help you be patient. You feel me? So here you go. I ain't going to even hold you up long. Like, I'm ready to make this money. I'm excited. I see the market 3.5 years in, almost 4 years into trading. I see the market at a totally different light. A totally different light than what I did 3 years ago when I was scalping. All right. I'm working on some fire scalping strategies as well for all my lower time frame traders. I got you. So guys, let your boy know if you've been already using the trend line effectively and it's been working for you. Let me know in the comment section. If you want to know how to use the trend line, I'm talking about if you want to know how to use the trend line the right way, because some of these cats got it all wrong on how to use in the trend line. You feel me? I'm trying to show you how to really use it to make some money, make it, you know, applicable, all right, to what you're doing. So comment below if you want to know the exact rules to plotting the trend line and how to trade it. All right, entries, exits, right there, guys. If you want mentorship and you tired of being a 9-to-5 slave, you tired of breaking even all the time, every year at the end of the year you always finding yourself not really what you made a couple dollars out the market, you know, a couple hundred. I'm talking about, I'm trying to give you a skill set that's going to get you to 6 figures. You feel me? And then they're going to ask me in the comment section, well, you haven't got to 6 figures yet. Well, ask a few people on my team, because I didn't hit over 6 figures. I'm averaged to be running up to about, let me say 200,000 year number 2. All right, so total, I'm pretty much running at this point, being 3 years in, I'm averaging 100,000 a year. All right, and my first 100,000 was 2019. I reached 100,000 in 2019. All right, so now I'm on pace to reaching another 100,000 for 2020 at the end of the year. All right, so if you want to learn how I do this, get the mentorship, guys. I would love to help you. It would be an honor to help you. All right, so don't be afraid to reach out. Go into my playlist, live London sessions. We catching pips. Before the year ended, we was catching pips, and we're gonna start it back as soon as my twins get on a sleep schedule. I had to stop the YouTube live for a minute because I'm waking up every 2 hours feeding the twins. So you feel me? So I just gotta get the schedule back going. But once I get that going, I'm gonna make another announcement, and we're gonna get it back cracking, because I know exactly what I'm doing. I know exactly what I'm looking for, and I know exactly how to execute and catch the pips. And I would love to include you guys as well, because Team Take Profits, we don't compete, we dominate. And one of the ways that we dominate is by giving.
London, 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 keep them trades coming. London, London, keep them trades coming. I got a bank to break. I got a few moves to make. I got a flight to take. I got a dream to chase. London, 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 keep them trades coming. Keep them trades coming. London, keep them trades coming.